Good morning. Natanggap ko na ang my first ever Metrobank credit card na Reward Plus Platinum from Metrobank. So, unboxing na natin. We'll unbox. Ay, Injaban pala nagpadala, kaya mabilis daw. Mas mabilis pa sa JNT. Charan! Metrobank Rewards Plus Credit Card Platinum. Will open. Wow! And experience endless rewards plus more. Look. Paibulok. Important, do not accept if torn, open, or tampered. Uy. Double the rewards points. Oh. On gadgets, internet, mobile services, online spend. 0% installment programs. 1% add on rate per month to convert unused credit limit to cash. So, siya tampered. So, I will open the card. Wow! My name. Ang payment date is at least 21 days after statement due. So look, Metrobank Reward Plus Platinum. Ang ganda ng card niya.
Mas maganda dyan mag-usang siya.
Thank you, yun lang. Bye-bye.